Guys, welcome back to How To's channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your own YouTube studio. So let's dive in. The first step you're going to do is go to your Play Store and go and search for YouTube Studio and download your YouTube Studio. So after that, the second step is you open your YouTube Studio. This is my YouTube Studio. Open your YouTube Studio here. And this is it. So click on this plus menu button. That is it for you to create your account on the YouTube Studio. And next step is that you wait for it to check in your info. Okay guys, so now the next step is for you to sign in using your Google account. If you do not have any account, you have to click on create account. So our next step is that we're going to create a new account on this YouTube Studio. So click on create account. And the next step is it for your personal use or for your work? So I'm going to use for my work. So click on for my work. And the next step is for you to input your name. Input your name here. Sorry guys, I'm going to input my name here. So you're going to input your name and click on next. And the next step is for you to click on your month and your date here. Click on your month. Just click on your month. Click on your month. Click on gender. If you are a male, click on male. If you are a female, you click on female. And if you don't want to say anything, you can put rather than this, or you put your custom. So after you put it, the next step is click on next. After you click on next, now choose your Gmail address. Which Gmail address do you want to use to create your YouTube Studio? You can see Google has given us different Gmail address that we can use. So if you want to create your own, you can click on create and you can use this one as